Here is how to check your stock levels in Megaventory. Let's go to Inventory and Inventory Management Lists. These are your Inventory Management List cards. If your card shows 0, there are no available products recorded in Megaventory. To add products to your account, go to Menu, Products and Services, New Product Service. This is the On-Hand Inventory and Alerts screen. It shows current stock levels, reorder points, and bin location information in your inventory location. Megaventory keeps track of current quantities of products, marked in black, the non-received quantities from purchase or work orders, marked in green, the non-shipped quantities in sales orders, marked in bright red, the non-allocated quantity in production orders, marked in brown, and the on-hand availability, in gray. The gray on-hand availability figure takes into account all pending orders. This is a virtually calculated figure. Mouse over the colored numbers to check these quantities. You can also refine your search by selecting a specific inventory location or supplier from the drop-down menus. This allows you to get a list of all the products you need to order from a supplier and restock a specific location. Try this and much more at www.megaventory.com.